Hello, everyone. This is Let's Connect, and I am Rishira Ganguly. Today, we are in conversation with Digant Manchale, who plays the iconic role of Ram in the series Ramyug that is going to release on 6th of May on MX Player. Thank you so much for joining me in this interview. How are you today? And I hope you and your family are safe.
Yes, we're all safe. Thank you, and hope everyone's safe. Whoever's watching all over India, everyone's safe and sound.
You seem to be in a
Yeah, I'm in my hometown. Yeah, I have network is an issue here. It's about 300 kilometers away from Bangalore, very close to Western Ghats. It's a beautiful place, but yeah, network is an issue here.
okay, no problem. At least as long as we get the answers, I think we're all set.
Yeah,
So Digant, you're known as Doodh Peda in the Kannadiga film industry, and you're very
yeah.
among fans. So essaying Ram in Ramyog is a seismic shift from what you've been doing. And although you have acted in a Hindi film before, is Ramyog kind of like testing the waters for you?
I mean, it's one of the biggest projects I would say that I've done in my life. But yeah, like even in I haven't done anything in close related to mythology, but I've done big projects, but not in Hindi, of course. And it was kind of challenging while because obviously I'm a South Indian, my Hindi is kind of weak, and in Ram Yoga I had to there's Sanskrit also, Hindi plus Sanskrit. So it was a task for me. And yeah, if I get good roles in Hindi, I would definitely do it. But yeah, I'm this project Ramyog was uh, it happened all of a sudden. I one day I got a call from Mr. Kulan Kohli, and he said, "Are you willing to play Ram?" And I'm like, who would say no to that that role? Yeah, like
Right.
my yeah, it's been Ram has been my childhood hero and Hanuman, both of them. So if somebody asked me to be a part of Ram Yoga or Ramayan, I wouldn't say no. Yeah.
I mean, it's true for me as well. I mean, Ram and Hanuman have been my childhood superheroes as well. I remember my grandparents telling me those stories, and I remember visualizing Hanuman and Ram and Ravan and the battle and everything. And
Yeah.
before Avengers and before everything, I think Ram and Hanuman were pretty much our ultimate superheroes.
Yeah. And we would make those wooden bow and arrows, and
Yes.
Hanumanka, that Gada, all that we've done it. So yeah, to be a part of such a big project, I think I'm blessed and honor.
That's brilliant. And to watch Ramyog and to watch Rama and come alive on screen, I think a lot of childhood memories would also you will come back to us. So Ram is such an iconic character that it has not only been enmeshed with India's mythology, but also political history. So, how do you want to be seen by an Indian audience who have grown up with and are living in an age where Ram is more than just a deity?
Yeah, I mean, I would put it across this way. Like I've seen DD Ramayan, I've seen there are so many stage performances by different groups, and there's a famous folk dance form called Yakshagana in Karnataka, and they perform Ramayan on stage. And every time they did, we would go sit and watch it. It's not like, oh, it's not done well, or it's not like the one we saw it on TV. It's not like that. Ramayan,
Right.
anything. I mean, any day you can sit and watch it. And in our Ramyug, we have definitely used better cameras, and the VFX is really good, and that's what we tried to show people. If Ram had magical powers and all those, Ravan had 10 heads and all that.
Yeah.
Visually, we tried to, the context is the same. We didn't change anything in Ramayana, but it's just the visual effect, better camera, and of
Mhm.
course, better background score, and we try to give it a modern twist. That's all.
To an Indian audience right now who have grown up with these stories with Ramayana and everything. So, how do you want to be seen to that Indian audience? How do you want to be interpreted to that Indian audience?
That I leave it to the audience, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of criticism and things like that. But I think we're all positive. I think people will accept this Ramyug, as they have accepted other Ramayans in the past. So we're all positive and just hoping we get a appreciating from the audience.
Well, I hope so too, because Ramayana is an iconic story, and playing Ram is must have been very challenging for you. But being the titular character and the focal point of the series, so to say, you needed to have kind of different dynamics with different characters. So tell me about how you discussed the character dynamics with Sita and Lakshman, because you spent most of the screen time with them through the series, I think. And how did you map out the intricacies of the character dynamics that you would share on screen?
Well, I mean, we had a good team. Like we had Kunal Kohli as a director, and Mr. Kohli, he's written a lot of Ramayana books in the past, and he was our the sort of a guideline throughout the movie web series. And I mean, of course, for me, I had extra classes after the shoot because of my Hindi. So we had to sit through all the lines with Sita and Lakshman, and they were all very supportive. And of course, we got along really well, Akshay and Aishwarya. And Akshay, though he is playing Lakshman, he's older than me. He was like Ram on the set, So he sort of helped me with the lines, and of course, there's Kunal Kohli, and he was helping us throughout. He made me really comfortable, and the work atmosphere was such that we didn't face any problems while shooting.
That's great. That's great to hear. But as said before, Ram comes with a lot of burdens. So what was the kind of research that you put in to play someone who's as good with philosophy as he is good with swords?
Well, I mean, I had to read Ramayana, but we would do a lot of discussion before the scenes, or the previous day we would sit and discuss about the next scene and in-depth analysis of what would have happened. So all those things kind of I gained more knowledge about our history and mythology. I mean, we've all seen Ramayana, but the discussion, what we did, in-depth discussion about the characters and her body language and how one should react to this certain situations, all that I learned a lot from Ram Yoga. I think, even in real life, I can apply those things. Like Ram has a lot of patience and positivity. So that sort of I incorporate in my daily life after Ram Yoga.
So you come from the Southern film industry, and Ram is sort of a pan-Indian iconic character. But you had to incorporate some of the Southern mythology into your character as well. Did you?
I mean, not really. I've only seen the old Ramayana, the DD Ramayana, but there was no such thing South Indian Ramayana while I was growing up. So I could connect only to DD and several other shows and performances. But I mean, I when I told my granny, she was super happy about it, that I was playing Ram. And the kind of stories I've heard about Ramayana is always from my dadi. And so when I told her, she was super happy. And it was a great journey.
Lastly, I just wanted to ask, what was the kind of expectation that you had when you went into playing Ram for Ram Yoga? And were those expectations met through the process of the series or after the series?
I think I was under a lot of pressure because one, my Hindi is kind of weak. And second, I was playing Ram, which is, and that too, it's one of the biggest budget project that I've been a part of. So I had a lot of pressure. I think I overstressed initially, but after the first week, I think I was overstressing, and then everyone made me really comfortable. And from second week onwards, I'm like, we were all like one big family staying in the same hotel, and everybody, like we would call each other by their character names and not by real names. So that kind of help me ease out my stress.
Right. And I'm pretty sure that people would love Ram on screen, and people would love you in Ram Yoga because Ramayana is a story that Indians all over the world, I think, will relate to, and not only Indians, but
Yeah.
people all over the
All
world,
over the world. Yeah.
yeah, who know
Yeah.
Ramayan, who know the characters.
Yeah.
I think they will relate to
Yeah.
the story, and especially now with VFX effects and everything, it will come alive on screen. I mean, a lot better.
Definitely.
It
Yeah.
did before. So,
Yeah.
congratulations on this wonderful series, and I hope people really enjoy it when it releases, when Ramyog releases on 6th of May on MX Player.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for joining me in this conversation.